How good are you with your computer? In this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 shortcut keys I bet you didn't know about. And then let me know your favorite among them.
Oh my god! Wow!
The first one is Windows plus V. With this shortcut key, it helps you to know your clipboard and all the items that you've copied in a day. Yeah, and the second one is Windows plus H. By typing this shortcut key, it will give you a voice command where you can actually use only your voice and it will transcribe it in a text form without using your keyboard to type. Yeah, and the third one is Windows plus dot. This gives you access to all kinds of emojis in every part of your screen. The fourth one is Windows plus Shift plus S. This helps you to screenshot and screen record on every part of your screen. Yeah. And the last one, which is my most and favorite one, is the Windows plus E. This helps you to access the Windows Explorer, where you can access every file on your computer. So which of these 3 did you know? Let me know in the comment section, and your favorite as well. This is Wotech, and here we give you free AI tools, test skills, and all about IT. We go talk more, Charlie.